In this video, we were going to install Sublime Text Editor on Windows. Open web browser and search for Sublime. Click on its official link. We will click on Download for Windows link. Once download is completed, open it to start the installation. Now, follow the installation process and complete it. After installation is completed, open Sublime Text Editor Form Start menu. Now, we will set our default root folder to website, which we previously created. Click on File, Open Folder, and select the folder. Now, we are ready to write our first code on website. In the next lecture, we will create a new file and write our first PHP code in Sublime.